news coming in. Now the cabinet has given a nod for one nation, one poll. That's the big story. Breaking at this hour, one nation, one election has been approved by the Modi cabinet. That's the story that we are breaking at this point in time. Remember, there was a fair amount of speculation on the fact that there will be this bill tabled in this session of Parliament, and it seems the ball has now been set rolling on this one. One nation, one election has got a nod from a cabinet. This is a step in the direction of bringing about this piece of legislation in Parliament. One nation, one election. That has got a nod from the cabinet is what we're learning. Remember, this was being deliberated upon by a committee, by a panel. The cabinet has now just approved one nation, one election proposal. What's the next step of action, or what is going to be the next course of action? We'll be getting in our reporters for more on that. One nation, one election bill. Perhaps maybe in this session itself, we don't know just yet. But the cabinet has approved one nation, one election proposal. It aims to conduct, remember, simultaneous elections across the country, also followed by the urban body and panchayat polls within 100 days. It's based actually on the recommendations of a high-level committee led by former President Ram Nath Kovind that has already submitted this particular detailed report. It has been announced by the government that the Union Cabinet has accepted the recommendations by the high-level committee on one nation, one election. Cabinet approved the proposal. The government says unanimously. Details that we have with us right now is the approval that has come in from the cabinet. The cabinet has given a nod to the one nation, one election proposal. It aims to conduct simultaneous Lok Sabha and Assembly elections. It also is to be followed by urban body as well as panchayat elections within 100 days. Now, the idea here is, that is being marked by the government, that elections should not take up years together and that we can't be in an election mode all year round, or we can't be in election mode forever, like is the case in the country as of now. Mosmi getting in more details on that big story. Mosmi, what are you picking up as far as this is concerned? The cabinet has given a nod. Do you think this could be introduced in this session? This bill could be introduced in this session? Okay, I'll just go back to my colleagues in a moment from now. All right, let's listen in to Mosmi. She has, in fact, Jagdambika Pal with her at this point in time. Let's take a listen.
देखिए, ये तो आज देश के लिए जरूरी है। जहां जब भारत आज कहीं दुनिया की 5वीं अर्थव्यवस्था बन चुका है और हम 2027 तक नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने एक टारगेट सेट किया है कि हम दुनिया की तीसरी टॉप इकोनॉमी होंगे, तो ये लगातार चुनाव क्या
Okay, the cabinet has given a nod for one nation, one poll. That's the big story that we are getting at this hour. Well, the big question is whether this bill is going to be in this session of Parliament or not. Implementing the one nation, one election plan would involve a couple of bills, but we're here to amend the Constitution.
Subscribe for more content.